Okay, it's time to do a little painting, and any product that can speed that process up is a good one, and especially for my friend Tom, who owns a number of rental houses, and we'll see if spraying can kind of speed that process up. Tom, I found this thing online and on television called the Paint Zoom. You've probably seen it.
I saw the commercial.
And of course, always wondering if something like this works, but what a great place to try it out right now.
Well, I'm ready. You ready to put it together?
Let's see what happens. The Paint Zoom is a high-volume, low-pressure, or HVLP sprayer. That means it uses a motor, much like a vacuum cleaner, to blow air through a tube and siphon the paint out of a cup on the bottom of the spray gun. For that to work, the paint or stain has to be fairly thin, and that seems to be our biggest challenge. This funnel cup comes with the kit, so you can determine if the paint is thin enough by clocking the time it takes to drain. I'm ready to go.
Go.
Pick it up, yeah. I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee. I'll be back in a minute.
This may need some thinning.
After a few tries, we get it thin enough, I think we're good, that Tom can test it out on some scrap cardboard. All right, let's do a little test then. Then we take turns putting the sprayer through its paces.
Now make sure you try all the way around the sides.
And in the process, knock out a good chunk of Tom's painting chores. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm really surprised because I've used a lot of sprayers before, and that one's pumping out the paint. You got a good spray pattern. Now, you probably could have painted that almost the same time with using a roller. But if you're spraying something like spraying cabinets or spraying a lot of doors and things like that, you could get that nice, more of a smooth finish than you would with a brush.
That's what I was going to say, get a real even coat. And this wall's textured a little bit, so I'm thinking I might try it on this popcorn ceiling.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, well, you got a whole house to do. Let me know how it turns out.
You're not going to stick around?
Oh, no, you're on your own. At $100 plus shipping, the Paint Zoom is comparably priced with other similar sprayers. Some of the parts appear to be a little cheaply made, and it may not be ideal for every painting chore, but it does work well. So we're giving it a 4 out of 5 rating.